Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G and today's video. Today we're going to be making a summer wreath using some flowers from my stash and some flowers from Poundland. So I've got these lovely big white flower heads and they're available in Poundland. So I've got a few of those, got a few of these pink peonies. I'm going to use these butterflies, these metal butterflies which are from Poundland, and they're basically just 3 metal butterflies. So I've got 2 packs of those and they're in the nice kind of pastel summer colours. And I'm going to use some napkins. Before I go on to napkins, I'm also going to be using the butterflies, which are a new item in my store. You get a pack of 12, I think it is, and they're different sizes, and these are in the kind of the white tones. And then for my base of my wreath, this is a 12-inch polystyrene wreath base from Hobbycraft. I'm going to be using one of these napkins. I'm not too sure which ones. These are the ones that you can get in Poundland, and these 2 I got from IKEA. I think I'm going to go with this one here. Let me just get it unwrapped. So these ones are 15 by 15 inch, so they're a nice long length. But what I'm going to do is, using my paper trimmer, you see how they're already, well, I could just do it with my scissors actually. What I think I might do is go through them and cut them lengthwise. So using the there's not the score line, but the fold line that's already on here. I'm going to cut these in lengths. So they'll end up being 5 by 15 inches. And they don't have to be perfect because they're going to overlap anyway. So I'm going to cut a numerous amount of those out, and then we can crack on with the next stage. Okay crafters, so I only cut out 3 because obviously I get 4 lengths from each napkin, and I'm just going to put some hot glue on my wreath form, put the napkin on it, and I'm going to just wrap this napkin around the wreath form and then put some glue where it ends, and then place the next one. I'll add one more just here, just to cover this section. And that left me with one sheet, or one length that I cut. So that's not bad at all. Okay, now let's bring over the butterflies. So these ones from Poundland, as you can see, they've just got some twine on them, some jute twine. So I'm just going to take all this off. And I've got these lovely ones from my store. I'm going to take out a different array of sizes. Okay, so I want this to have floral to one side. Okay, I'm just going to hot glue these large white ones in place. Maybe have a cluster. Give it some green foliage. foliage. That's always nice. And obviously we have our peony here as well, which I need to cut down in size. I want the leaf. Now these ones, the metal ones, I'm going to bend up. I'm going to put some hot glue on the body of the butterfly, like so. I'm going to put it in place. Now because these are metal and the glue is hot, they will get hot, so please take care. Going to place these butterflies and flowers and leaves where I think they look pleasing to the eye. And I might even go in and put some of these butterflies inside of those metal butterflies. I think I'm going to have another one of the white flowers just there. And as I say, these are from Poundland, these white flowers, and they are lovely. It's quite hot here today in London, so things are taking slightly longer to set in regards to glue. Where should I put this next peony? Put you there. Up there. No, I think up there. Just need to cut this down a bit further. And these butterflies that are now available, they come with double-sided foam tabs which you could use to stick them onto projects, and they also come with magnetic backs so you can put them on a fridge if you just wanted to use them as home decor. The choice is yours. Some of the butterflies I'm actually putting on top of the metal ones just to give them a bit more interest. Three left out of the pack, so I think I might just go ahead and add them all. You don't have to, you can have as many, you can have as many as you like, or as little. Choice is yours. I mean, maybe do I want to have one of the butterflies landing in the flower? I think I do. I'm just going to submerge this butterfly into the center of the white flower. And I'm going to call that done, my crafters. So there we go. So a butterfly flower and napkin wreath. I think it's lovely for this time of year. If you recreate this, please come over to Create at Home with G on Facebook and share your recreation. In fact, share any creation that you are currently doing. We have a monthly competition which is always pinned to the top of the group wall. So come and share your creations, join in. It's a family group, anyone is welcome to join as long as you're a crafter. And one of myself or my admins will happily add you. But thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, with this very simple wreath, and I will see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.